Hi and welcome to my tutorial about the cordon tool. This is a tool which is, I think, underrated and not used that much, but it's a very powerful tool if used correctly. The basic principle of the cordon tool is that when you have a large map or a small map, in any case a complicated map, you can use the cordon tool to compile just specific areas without compiling the rest of the map. That sounds hard, but I'm going to show you. For this, I'm going to open one of my maps which I'm working on. It's made for Svenco-op, so don't worry. This tool is applicable for any mod or game for Half-Life 1. Let's see. This is a fairly large map. It's still rather empty and I'm not that far yet. Let's see. In this case I made a fairly complicated bunker and a huge outdoor terrain. In this case, when I want to compile this map, I would compile the entire map, and if I want to see if the lighting is nice or if anything else works just fine, then I would have to compile the entire map and compile the entire lighting, the entire map. I don't want to do that. That just takes too much time. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to compile just a part of this little bunker, and for that I'm going to click this button, first this one, toggle cordon state. It enables the cordon tool, and I'm going to click this button which is edit cordon bounds, and now I'm going to drag a box onto the field. It's weird, it's black but it should be red. Wait, let's see if, yeah, no, it's fine. Just drag and edit the area like you would edit the brush or whatever, and let's just say I want to compile just this little piece of map right here. As you can see, it's now in cordon editing state, so just select the selection tool again and you'll see it will become a thick red line. What this means is that the compiler will now, or Hammer will now, compile only this area, and it uses a black texture for that. So basically what it does, it just places big brushes here, here and here, and it doesn't compile the rest. So we're gonna try it now. I'm just going to export to map. I'm going to find my compiler. I don't use the standard compiler, I use the batch compiler, which is way more handy. Here it is. Okay, I'm just gonna run it real quick. Okay, as you can see, it went fairly quick, and now I'm going to start up Svenco-op. Let me turn the volume down. Hold up. Okay, load up my map and see what it's going to become. Okay. As you can see, I've compiled just this part of the map which I've selected. I can't get past this. It's just a wall, and basically, yeah, I just compiled just this little part. This saved me a lot of time just to test whatever, maybe the lighting or this ladder, whatever. It just saved me a hell of a lot of time to compile the entire map, just this section. Just gonna quit the game now. Oh wait, I can just disconnect and do this. Okay. So basically that's what the cordon tool is all about. You can activate the cordon state tool with this button and click this to change the area. Now this tool is very powerful, especially when you have very complicated maps and you would just want to test a little bit, or maybe some entity work or lighting or whatever. It's seriously, I just can't say how useful this tool is. So I hope that you will use it more often in your map, so you can test it way often and just get rid of all the bugs. Also, with the, which I forgot to mention, the cordon tool is leak safe. If you enable the cordon tool, and whatever the area you define, it will never compile with the leak, since it places brushes on its own in the entire box. Therefore, it's so powerful. It's so useful. So basically, that's it. I hope you've learned from this tutorial. If you want some more tutorials or more help, just contact me. I'm a member of certain fora and websites, which I'll post up in the comments or in the description or whatever. So I hope you'll use this tool often. Happy mapping!